Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Lava A3 feature phone. This particular phone is the dark blue variant. You can see there's a window over here that shows you what the phone actually looks like. You can see the military grade certified sticker over here as well. So let's quickly take a look at what other features there are. It's written over here that this phone has 6 days of battery backup along with super battery mode. It has loud and clear sound with big 3020 speakers and A-class amplifiers. There are contacts, photos and icon support, the instant touch, auto call recording, wireless FM, etc. And that is more or less it. There is some extra manufacturer information. Outside that, there is no information of value over here. So let's open this box and see. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. This is the charger, of course. Let's take a closer look. There you can see this is a micro USB charger. So next we have the battery. This is a lithium-ion battery. This is a 1750 mAh lithium-ion battery. It's a pretty large battery as well. So yeah, that's component number 2. And finally we have the phone itself. This is the Lava A3 feature phone with a military grade certified sticker on top. I'm going to remove the sticker very carefully. I don't want to tear it. And there you go. This is what the phone actually looks like. This is your 1.8-inch QQVGA display, nearly half the size of the phone, which is never a bad thing. You will notice this is a very retro design phone. This is reminiscent of the phones that came out in late 90s and early 2000s. So what else do we have here? There's a numpad. You can see there's a button for the torch right over here. I will show you how it works. On the other side we have a VGA camera on this end, which is a very nice addition. I'm going to insert the battery in this phone and show you, and turn it on and show it to you, show the display at least. Couple of things to note here. So this is, as mentioned earlier, this is a VGA camera. This is the big 3020 speaker that the manufacturers were talking about. This is your micro SD slot, and these are your 2 SIM card slots. Of course, the battery goes in over here. I'm going to do just that. There you go. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Lava A3 feature phone. Thank you for watching.